Setting up your virtual reality headset, step-by-step guide. Title: Setting up your virtual reality headset, step-by-step guide. Introduction. Virtual reality, VR, technology has revolutionized the way we experience entertainment, gaming, and even educational content. With a virtual reality headset, you can immerse yourself in a world of endless possibilities. However, setting up a VR headset may seem overwhelming, especially for beginners. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up your virtual reality headset, ensuring that you have an unforgettable VR experience right from the start. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before delving into the setup process, it's crucial to ensure that your virtual reality headset is compatible with your device. Whether you're using a PC, gaming console, or a smartphone, be sure to check the compatibility requirements provided by the headset manufacturer. Step 2. Gather the required equipment. Aside from the virtual reality headset itself, you will need a few additional components to complete the setup. These may include 1. Controllers. Depending on the VR headset you own, you might need separate controllers to interact with a virtual environment. Ensure that the controllers are charged and synced with your headset. 2. Base stations. For PC, some PC-based VR headsets like the HTC Vive or Valve Index may require base stations to track your movements accurately. These base stations should be positioned within your play area and plugged into power outlets. 3. External sensors. For mobile, if you're using a smartphone-based VR headset, make sure to have compatible external sensors or a tracking unit to enhance the overall experience. 4. Cables and adapters. Check if your VR headset requires any specific cables or adapters to connect to your device. HDMI or DisplayPort cables, USB cables, and power adapters are some common examples. Step 3. Install software and drivers. Most virtual reality headsets come with dedicated software and drivers that need to be installed on your computer or smartphone before usage. These programs help facilitate communication between your device and the VR headset. Visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest version of the software and drivers specific to your headset. Step 4. Connect your VR headset. The next step is to connect your virtual reality headset to your device. The method varies depending on the type of headset you have. 1. PC-based VR headsets. A. Connect the headset to your PC using the designated cables. You may need to connect HDMI or DisplayPort for video and USB for data transfer. B. Plug the base stations into power outlets and position them diagonally across from each other within your play area. Ensure they have an unobstructed view of your headset. 2. Smartphone-based VR headsets. A. Insert your smartphone into the VR headset's designated slot. B. Connect any required external sensors or tracking units to your smartphone. 3. Standalone VR headsets. A. Standalone headsets don't require a connection to a PC or smartphone. However, you may need to follow on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup process for this type of headset. Step 5. Adjust your headset properly. To have a comfortable and immersive VR experience, it's crucial to adjust your headset properly. Follow these steps. 1. Strap adjustment. Adjust the straps so that the headset fits securely on your head. Avoid making it too tight or too loose. 2. Eye to lens distance. Depending on your virtual reality headset, you might find a knob or a slider that adjusts the distance between the lenses and your eyes. Adjust this distance until the visual appear clear and focused. 3. Interpupillary distance, IPT. If your headset allows IPT adjustment, measure the distance between your pupils using the provided tool, and set the headset accordingly. This adjustment ensures the visuals are aligned correctly with your eyes, reducing eye strain. Step 6. Controllers setup. For VR headsets requiring separate controllers, follow these steps to ensure they are properly set up. 1. Pairing. Turn on the controllers and ensure they are in pairing mode. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific headset. 2. Syncing. Use the provided method to sync the controllers with your VR headset. Be sure to position yourself within the range of the base stations or external sensors for accurate tracking. Step 7. Run calibration and configuration. Now that your hardware is set up, it's time to run calibration and configuration software. These help fine-tune the VR experience and ensure accurate tracking. Follow the instructions provided by the headset manufacturer to calibrate your hardware properly. Step 8. Explore VR applications and content. Now that you have completed the setup process, it's time to explore the vast array of virtual reality applications and content available to you. Whether you're interested in gaming, educational expert, sciences, or virtual travel, there is something for everyone in the world of VR. 1. Gaming. Dive into the immersive world of virtual reality gaming. From action-packed adventures to puzzle-solving challenges, VR games offer a unique and interactive experience like no other. Browse through popular VR gaming platforms and try out different genres to find your favorite. 2. Educational content. Virtual reality can also be a powerful tool for learning and education. Explore virtual museums, historical landmarks, and interactive educational experiences that bring CTS to life in a whole new way. VR can enhance your understanding and engagement with various topics. 3. Virtual travel. Experience virtual travel and explore breathtaking destinations from the comfort of your own home. Visit iconic landmarks, explore exotic locations, or even take a virtual tour of outer space. VR technology can transport you to places you may never have the chance to visit in person. 4. Creativity and art. Unleash your creativity by trying out VR art and sculpting applications. Create stunning 3D artwork using virtual brushes and tools, or sculpt virtual clay with your hands. VR provides a unique and immersive medium for artistic expression. Step 9. Maintain and update your VR headset. To ensure your VR headset continues to provide optimal performance, it's essential to take proper care and regularly update the software. Here are a few maintenance tips. 1. Clean the lenses. Keep the lenses of your VR headset clean using a microfiber cloth and lens cleaner specifically designed for electronics. Avoid using abrasive materials or harsh chemicals that will damage the lenses.